Good morning, everybody. It's Friday. I'm here picking up my trailer. I'm gonna go pick up some more walker mowers. I just can't seem to get enough of these things. Supposedly there's a guy, he was on Facebook Marketplace, he has 3 of them. They're all Mtghs, so I'm anxious to see what he's got. Oh, brother. Flat tires. Oh, wonderful. Flat tires on this side too. Alright, we're not using this one. Alright, so we got a new plan of attack now. I'm gonna have to go back home and grab the flat trailer to pick up these mowers. I wanted to use the enclosed trailer, but obviously that's not gonna happen with flat tires, and I really don't feel like grabbing the air compressor and pumping them up, so I guess we're gonna pick up the walkers with the flat trailer. Alright, so I'm back on the road. I got the flat trailer with me. We're gonna go pick up some walker mowers, and hopefully it doesn't start snowing on me. Supposedly, I just got the call, we're in for a record storm. It could bring up to 3 feet of snow. So that's crazy. It's gonna come down heavy and it's gonna come down quick. So I am gonna try to get some good footage for you, but I think I'm gonna have my hands full with this storm. This is gonna be insane if it is really gonna drop that amount of snow. But what are you gonna do? So we're on our way to North Dartmouth, Massachusetts, to meet a guy named John. He's got 3 Walker Mtghs mowers. I think they're older based off the pics. Not sure what years, but I'm gonna say early 2000s if I was to take a good guess at it. Supposedly only 1 out of the 3 has potential to run. I asked him if the engines were blown and he told me he didn't know. One of them he said will probably run with a little bit of work. So they sound like they're gonna be a basket case, but you never know. What's up, man? I'm Brandon, nice to meet you.
Pretty well packed in here.
So what's the deal with them?
Here's an EFI over here. That one's most likely to run.
Okay.
See how we got them labeled. Spare, no gas cap. I don't see any other tags on it.
All right.
This one says it was fixed in 16, just clean the carb. Let's see what this tag is. New battery, 16.
So they haven't run in a while.
Yeah. These ones have.
Do you have tires for them?
Yeah, we're gonna have to do a shuffle with the tires here.
Okay.
2 there, I got 1 here. So we got 5 tires. So we're gonna have to take one off of one to load it.
Okay. So the last time these were parked, did they run?
It's hard to tell. I know the one in the shop, the last time we put that in there, it ran.
Okay. All right, so there's a lot of unknowns here. So the only one that will probably run is this one?
That one's not for sale.
Oh, that one's not for, oh, so
That's
it's...
the first walker we've ever had.
Okay.
That's
Yeah, I was gonna say, it looks
70s.
old.
Yeah. Could use air in the back there. But it'll roll, right?
Yeah, should. The hydro's unlocked? Well, on the pumps themselves. Oh, this is gonna go all the way back on me.
Oh, this one goes all the way?
Yeah, because there's no strut on there.
12.
Oh, okay, there's no pumps in it.
No hydro, so it'll roll.
Alright. This one here,
Yeah.
I'm not even going to be interested in.
Okay.
Only because there's no pumps on it.
Right.
This is a strictly parts machine.
Yeah.
Are the pumps in the other machines? I hope so.
Probably see from here. I see that one.
Are you able to lift that up over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep, those are. That one's unlocked. Is this one unlocked? Yeah, that one's unlocked too.
Okay.
Alright. This one's a go. Yep, that one's unlocked.
New battery in there.
That one's unlocked. Okay. Color 20. So you don't know if this has ever been replaced?
I do not know.
Okay. Alright. Alright, so we'll get wheels on this one.
Okay.
A wheel. That one's got a wheel on
Right.
that side. And we'll take these two, these two. Another mower would work too. Pushing it up. That's good.
I want to put some air in these tires. I don't think it's gonna go.
All right. How do you guys like this Red Max mower?
They let us demo it, and I ended up really liking it with the mulch kit. You should see. You could go over like a pile of leaves twice, and they're gone.
Really?
Yeah.
You get any blowout from the deck on this
No.
design? None?
Not like a Wright, not like a Ferris.
Wow.
We were surprised when we used it. Like, we don't want to use this thing. But
How many horsepower motor is this?
3 maybe? 751.
FX 751. Wow, it looks like a beast.
Yeah.
I've never seen one of these up front. Up close.
Weird. And we don't want to use that thing.
Wow. Wow, it's pretty neat.
No. This one's a different height, so it doesn't even make contact with it. It's these wheels. Let's see if we can back it up and push it with some speed on. Like that abrupt stop.
Ready? Nice. Just put the brake on.
Nice truck.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
How you doing?
Good. I'm Brandon. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Brandon and Pat.
Nice to meet you, Pat.
You got the deal of a lifetime.
Yeah. I hate plowing though.
Everyone hates plowing. I don't know.
Especially
anyone that
tonight with
likes
this, with the
gotta-
forecast supposedly what, 3 feet? They're
it.
saying.
2 feet, 10
2
inches,
inches.
12 inches, 16 inches. We have everything known. Oh, you got the same thing? You're gonna get whacked up there too?
Oh yeah,
I usually get more.
yeah. I'm only 20 minutes away from here.
Do you have commercial stuff or?
No, all residential right now.
Okay.
I mean, I couldn't do commercial with just one truck. You
So
know.
you have
It's,
to have somebody shoveling too, right?
yeah, I got a shovel that works with me. Actually, my wife.
Yeah. Jesus, you better not get divorced.
No. No.
You'll lose everything.
Yeah, no.
Your worker, your shoveler,
Yeah.
bookkeeper.
Yep. Yep. I'm just the guy that buys lawnmowers. Alright, so we just picked up those 2 Walker mowers, the MTGHS's. They look like total basket cases. But I got a good price on them, so. Oh, hang on. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here now. Yep.
Okay. Are you gonna be home?
I'm gonna be home in about a half hour.
Okay. I'm gonna drop the truck off at your house.
Oh, you just gotta drop it off at my house. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that'd be easier. That way I'm not coming back to the truck. Go over everything with him. I'll just drop it off at your house.
All right, sounds good.
Okay. I'll be there about 45 minutes, half hour.
All right, Steve, I'll talk to you later. Thanks.
Yep. No
Bye.
problem. Bye.
Bye. So, I got 2 trucks running in the storm because it's gonna be a bad one, and there's no way that I can keep up with the amount of driveways we have by myself. We have about 30 driveways that we plow, me and Renee. But on a storm of this caliber, you need 2 trucks out there. Oh yeah, place is packed. All right, let's go see if they have what we need.
I can have somebody over here.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
You ever work camera?
No. I have 2 of these here.
2? Can you just let me lift? There we go. Thank you.
And 2 bags of ice melt.
I just need to scan the.
So guys, this is the end of this video. This is the trucks that we're going to be using for the big storm. There's an F-250 here that my buddy Steve dropped off for me, and here's my F-350. So we're gonna try to get some good footage for you guys tonight, and we'll see you on the next video.